Today we are going to present the Vanilla Mill. This spice grinder contains 100% of natural vanilla beans, which were ground and cut to small pieces. The vanilla beans were prepared for easy dosage with the usual spice grinder. Let's have a look at the different parts of the Vanilla Mill. Before first use, the freshness seal must be removed. You screw the top part of the mill back on and open the cover. Now the vanilla can be ground in different grain sizes. Pulling the mill up will lead to a more coarse grinding result. Which are the advantages of vanilla in a mill? The first advantage is the easy dosage. It is much more convenient than the use of whole vanilla beans. Furthermore, it is easier to experiment with the vanilla mill than with whole vanilla beans. The vanilla mill belongs on the table next to the salt and pepper mills. Can a dried product be as good as a fresh vanilla bean? Not quite, as in the drying process, a small amount of aromatic components is lost. The trick is to prepare the product so that the flavor is encapsulated and the cell membrane only opens when the vanilla pieces are ground, releasing the full vanilla flavor. Some examples of where you can use the vanilla mill: strawberries with milk, oatmeal, other cereals, marinades for fish and meat, for barbecues or for decorative purposes. Freshly ground vanilla rounds off the taste, so it goes perfect with hearty and spicy dishes as well. In our opinion, the vanilla mill is not so good for directly flavoring coffee, tea or other beverages. Other methods are to be preferred here. If coffee is brewed using a filter, a pinch of freshly ground vanilla can be added to the coffee powder in order to receive a perfect coffee. As a consumer, how can I tell if I bought a vanilla mill of high quality? You see the difference at first glance. On this side we have fresh and shiny, dark vanilla pieces. On this side we have a dry and, although you cannot see it, far less aromatic vanilla product. If you use this vanilla mill, the effect is the following. This is not a real vanilla mill, where the cell membrane only opens when the product is used, but more a shaker containing already ground vanilla, which quickly loses its aroma due to the larger surface. On this side we have a perfect product. If you try to shake the vanilla pieces out of this vanilla mill, some vanilla seeds might come out here and there, but this is not comparable to the product on this side.